changes to your blocks and basics, which add on to what you've already done. So what we've already done our sitting stance single punch. So what we're going to do to add to this, now we get to our sitting stance as we normally would, instead of doing a single punch on each count, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, this time we just add an extra punch to make it a double punch, so it'll be 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then the key on this one is to make sure every time your punch goes out, the other hand is coming back to your reaction arm position. So even if I'm doing 2 quick punches, bang bang, my hand still comes back to here and back to here in between. Back to here, 1, back to there, 2, just like that. For your spread and block, so we go back to your spread and block, just like we did before. Instead of doing a rising kick that we did last time, instead from here, bring your hands into a mini guard, then it's a front kick, up, X and down. Mini guard, front kick up, X and down. So it's a face high kick, showing the ball of your foot, kicking and down. Alright, your main blocks are all the same. So we've done low block, we've done inwards middle block, we've done outwards middle block, and we've done high block. All we do now, after each of those blocks, is add a reverse punch. So after the step, it's inwards middle block, block, keep your feet the same, reverse punch on the opposite arm. Now this one that's sticking out, that's done the last punch, is going to block next. So for example, if it was a low block, we would step and do a low block over the same arm and same leg, then reverse punch without moving your feet. I'm going backwards, saying a high block. This one that's just done the punch is going to block next. So that ends up left and left. And then I keep my feet the same, do the reverse punch. If it's an outward middle block, it's exactly the same. This one that's just punched, loads for the next block. So I can step backwards, I do a block, ends up right arm, right leg. I don't move my feet, just block. Just punch. So the punch ends up the opposite side. And that's all of the basics.